tomorrow night at the KFC Center. Now, do remember, if you're going to be going to that concert tomorrow night, make sure you wear something that's for spotters, because those spotters are going to be scanning the back of the arena, and the way up high, in the $20 seats, looking for people to break down the floor and send in great seats. You got nothing to lose, everything to gain, okay? Anyway, coming up next, though, not only do we have Sugarland tickets, I am going to kick off 60 minutes of back-to-back non-stop music.
Clark Memorial Hospital. No one cares like Clark. 97.5
WAMZ. Join me, Mike Powell, at the grand opening of Papa Murphy's 6661 Dixie Highway across from Toys R Us Friday from 4 to 6 p.m. Come celebrate the grand opening with Papa Murphy's Take and Bake Pizza in WAMZ.
Scott here for Scott's Touch-Up Weed Control. It's a simple solution for those pesky weeds that pop up in your otherwise healthy, happy lawn from time to time. Using Scott's Touch-Up is a lawn-friendly way to send unsightly weeds packing. The handy little spray bottle makes using it just so gal-blasting easy. One quick trip around the yard with Scott's Touch-Up, and in very short order, no more weeds. And as for the surrounding grass, well, nary a precious blade will be harmed, guaranteed. But Scott, you say, how can it kill weeds without harming the grass? Ah, good question, lads. And I could go into the brilliant science of it all, but to be honest, that would likely lull you into slumberland. Let's just say this. If it says Scott's in the bottle, you've got no worries. To learn more, go to Scotts.com. Go on, use Scott's Touch-Up Weed Control this weekend. Weed your lawn. Weedex.
Head to your nearest Meijer to pick up a bottle of Scott's Touch-Up today.
We pay attention to what our customers do, and lower prices on items that matter the most.
At Kroger, prices are everywhere.
We have low prices every day.
We have hundreds of generic prescriptions for just $4.
You can save on gas just by shopping at Kroger.
Low prices are everywhere.
You really do save a lot more at Kroger.
You really do save a lot more.
You'll always save at Kroger.
You always save at Kroger.
Get more value
For the way you live.
Every day at Kroger.
Speaking of low prices, did you know that Kroger has literally thousands of specials every week? You'll find them in every aisle, every time you shop. This week, that includes select cans of Del Monte vegetables for just 99 cents each. Or for a little pick-me-up, select 12-pack bottles of Lipton tea are just $5.48. And make room in your freezer for some Tony's Original Crust pizzas. Select varieties are just $2.18 each. Bring your Plus card for all the savings and get more value for the way you live at Kroger.
Grand opening on April 26th. Don't forget to name the bull for a chance to be a VIP member for life. Go to WAMC.com for more info. First 50 people get to meet national recording artist Lee Brice before his concert on 4th Street, PBR, where cowboy cool meets urban chic.
At the James Graham Brown Cancer Center, we take a team approach with the research, prevention,
In treatment of cancer.
10 years ago, our head and neck cancer team introduced an innovative approach.
Where a team of dedicated physicians work together to develop an individual plan for each patient.
We are committed to providing you with the most advanced, comprehensive,
and compassionate cancer care available anywhere.
To learn more, visit browncancercenter.org.
From the 44automart.com studios,
this is WAMZ Louisville,
an iHeart radio station.
Right now at the Home Depot, save $10 when you buy a bag of Scott's Turf Builder Plus 2 Weed Control Fertilizer and a bottle of Roundup Pump and Go. A powerful combo that helps roots grow deeper and weeds die faster. Together they make for a much greener wallet. Get more spring per dollar. Save $10 off the combined purchase of Turf Builder Plus 2 and Roundup. More saving, more doing. That's the power of the Home Depot. U.S. only, limit 2 per household. See store for details.
Jerry Miners here. Some other pizza people claim they have a buffalo chicken pizza, but at Papa Murphy's they have the real deal, and it's only $10. That beautiful, all-new buffalo chicken pizza. Papa Murphy's isn't just about over-the-top pizza. They've got all kinds of things like delicious 4-cheese cheesy breads, or add a s'mores or cinnamon wheel for dessert. For kids, they offer the Mini Murphy kit for kids to use to make and bake their own pizza at home. That's only $4. Stop by Papa Murphy's Take and Bake Pizza for the all-new buffalo chicken pizza, only $10.
Experience, selection, value. Find it all at Kentuckiana's only Flex Steel Gallery. Schmidt Furniture. Shop at Flex Steel Gallery this weekend. Quality furniture, affordable prices, free delivery. Schmidt Furniture on the furniture corner of State Main. That's Active Albany.
Where you buy your body from does matter. unlike most other jewelers, Shane Company buys diamonds directly from the diamond cutters, eliminating the middleman and their markups, passes the savings on to them. Most other jewelers buy their diamonds based strictly on their lab grade and ignore sparkle. Shane Company handpicks each diamond, one at a time, choosing only stones with the most sparkle, regardless of their lab grade. At other jewelers, the salespeople are so focused on making their commission, they pressure you to buy without explaining what really matters. At Shane Company, our non-commissioned salespeople will show you how to judge the sparkle and beauty of the diamond, whatever the grade. It's no wonder why most people in town buy their diamond from Shane Company.
Shane Company, direct diamond importers on Hurstbourne Parkway and Taylorsville Road. Open Monday through Friday till 8, Saturday and Sunday till 5. Online at shaneco.com.
Get ready for a whole lot of continuous country on 97.5 WAMC. Another 60-minute music hour of continuous Kentuckiana country starts now.